You are an awesome God, Lord. You are an amazing God who did greater things in the lives of your people, oh God. You alone are God, Lord. Blessed be your name. In the mighty name of Jesus, Lord, pour out your presence, pour out your power. Pagadaygon ka, O Diyos, so pagasimbahon ang buhi mo mahalin. Salamat, Lord, sa imong buhing presensya, O God. Padayon kang magauban sa mamaki na buhi, O God. Lord, empower our mind, our heart, and our emotion in the mighty name of Jesus. Blessed be your name, O God.